Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about red delicious apples. We're all familiar with those. They are one of the most common apples in the world. They date back to 1880s when they were first discovered here in the United States in Iowa. They were originally called Hawkeye apples and then Stark Delicious apples. And when Golden Delicious apples came about, they were renamed to Red Delicious apples. And without a doubt, they are the most commonly found apples here in the United States. Regarding their characteristics, they were once prized for their sweet flavor, but over the years, they have been bred and rebred to try to extend their shelf life. And by doing that, a lot of the flavor has actually been bred out of them. The skin is thick and the flesh can be slightly crisp to soft, and they do bruise very easily. The flavor can be sweet, but it's very mild, and the texture of Red Delicious apples tends to become mealy with age, giving them kind of a crumbly texture. So if you have a Red Delicious that kind of is soft and mealy, falls apart, you know it's on the older side. Best uses for Red Delicious apples: they should be just eaten fresh out of hand or cut up into salads. They do not hold their shape well when they're baked or cooked in any way, so you should just reserve them for eating raw only. I do hope this helps you out. Take care now. Bye.